Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for Grade 1. We are learning Unit 9. Its title is Making Q is Important. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation, and worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is, or modify it for your convenience. I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Yes, my dear students, today under the title of grammar, we are going to learn about pointing words. Before this, in your English primer, you have learned the use of this and that, and you applied it on sentences. I hope you remember. If not, you may watch this video lecture again, and we are going to learn further to use words that point to something. And these words are this, that, these, and those. This is our today's SLO. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in the Quran, Surah Al-Baqarah, verse 2, this is the book of Allah. There is no doubt in it. It is a guidance for the pious. Yes, my dear students, this beautiful verse is telling us about Quran. Quran is the book of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So beta, we should learn Quran, we should understand it, and we should try to follow all the commands of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Right? Now, my dear children, look at this word, this. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is telling this, like just hold the Quran and think Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is pointing. This is the book, right? And it is guidance for us. So inshallah, we'll take guidance from Quran. Now let's learn about more pointing words. And before that, you tell me, what does pointing word mean? And what are pointing words? Pause the video, answer these questions to your teacher, and then come back. Yes, my dear students, I hope. What does pointing word mean? The answer is in the question. The words which point to something are pointing word, right? For example, if I want to tell about apple, I will say, this is an apple, right? And that is an apple. Now, my dear children, why I use this for this apple and that for this apple? Why? This apple is closer to me. So something which is closer to you, you say this. This is an apple. But that one is farther. That is far away. So to point that, I will say that is an apple because it is far away, right? This is a pen. This is a smart board pen, right? But that is the door because door is far from me. Right? This is how we select a pointing word. This for something which is closer to us and that for something which is far from us. Right? So this is an apple, that is an apple. And if the things which are closer to us are plural, now there are more than one. That's why it will become these are apples and those are apples. These are apples, those are apples. Right? So something closer to you, if it is singular, you will use this, and if it is plural, you will use these. And something which is far away from you, it is singular, you will use that, and for plural, you will use those. Right? Okay, let's practice it further. So something which is nearer to you. This kitten is here. She is holding a kitten and this kitten is here. That kitten is there because that kitten is far away. These kittens are here and those kittens are there. So this is how this for singular, something which is closer to you and one, and something which is closer to you but it's more than one, you use these. Something far from you and it is one, you use that, and something far from you but it is more than one, you use those. This is how we select this, these, that, those. Are you clear? Okay, so let's practice it. Find out from your book, all of you. Open your book on page number 77. This is a pen. This pen is closer to you, that's why you use this. That is a book. The book is far from you, that's why you use that. These are cups. Cups are closer to you, and those are bulbs. Bulbs are farther from you, right? So this is singular and these for plural refer to objects or persons near the speaker, and that for singular and those for plural refer to objects or persons far away from the speaker. So let's practice it through an activity. Teacher will point towards objects near and far away, and students will use this or that with the name of the objects. Okay, so teacher may point to board. This is a board, that is a door, that is a wall. This is how everyone is going to participate. So pause the video, enjoy the activity, and get free. Yes, my dear students, how you done with it? Good job. It was easy for you? Good. So let's practice it from your book. All of you open your book on page number 77, question 5. So you have to look at the object and complete the sentence by using this, that, these, or those. So pause the video, complete this task in your book, and then come back. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Good job. It's time for your homework. You will write simple sentences by using this, that, these, and those in your notebook. And here is a worksheet, my dear fellow teachers. This worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation links are given. You may click it, download it, and kindly provide a printed worksheet to students for practice. So what we have learned today, we learned to point something near to us. We use this for singular and these for plural naming words. And to point something farther from us, we use that for singular and those for plural naming word. So we achieved our SLO to use words that point to something, this, that, these, and those. Are we done with it? Yes. So that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep learning and take very good care of yourself. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.